Serious business time. Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
We are here to do our prayers, and here is Alhaji Chief Malam Zaki Sahna Savannah Sapacha, Spiritual Consultancy. Here we are not using blood to do our work. Here we are not cutting money for anyone. Here we are not bringing money to collect money. Here we are not doing money doubling, because here Ghana is not allowed. You heard me?
Yes, sir.
So we are here to pray for you, to direct you how God will pass through us and bless you.
Yes, sir.
So that you'll be happy.
Yes, sir.
So you see this one, choose only one in your heart. Don't point it, don't mention it.
Only one.
Yes, put it, remove it in your heart.
Put it and keep it in my hand.
Yes. Now I choose one. You also choose one in your heart. Don't mention it.
Okay, so not touch it.
Don't touch it. Just know it in your heart.
I choose one.
You know it? Okay. Let me see. Make sure you know what you choose, okay? I'll start my work. What is your father's name?
Hyginus.
Hi.
Hyginus.
Hyginus.
Yes.
The one you choose is here or here?
It's here.
It's this one. Hyginus. Is it here or here?
It's here.
What is your mother's name?
Victoria.
Victoria. Is it here or here?
It's here.
What is your own name?
Anthony.
Anthony. Is it here or here?
It's here.
It's here. Make sure you know what you choose, okay? We are not going to tell you what you want. I won't tell you what you want. And I won't tell you what I want. You heard me? This is what you choose.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. Yeah, let's start the work. Let up.